how's it going? Laura with Garden Answer. The Pantone color of the year is classic blue, and I honestly don't know how much stock anyone puts in that, but there seems to be a lot of excitement around that color, and there always is when it comes to flowers because it's a harder color to find, which brings me to the 2020 flowering shrub of the year, which is the blue Chiffon Rosa Sharon. Now, I can vouch for the color of blue that this plant is because I have grown this one in my garden, and it is a true blue. The thing though I love about this Rosa Sharon is that it has a large single blue flower, but it has a very lacy center, which gives it a kind of a full, almost double appearance, anemone looking type bloom. They're just beautiful, and they cover the plant about midsummer, like the dog days of summer. It starts to bloom and it just shines in the landscape, and it blooms usually through our very first hard frost. The whole Chiffon series is wonderful anyway because it's got a different structure than the traditional Rosa Sharons, which usually have a very stiff kind of vase shape. The Chiffon series is a little bit more rounded, a little bit more graceful. It sways in the breeze and instead of staying very stiff and rigid. It grows about 8 to 12 feet tall and 4 to 6 feet wide. So you do want to give it its space in the garden. You want to put it in a full sun location. That's what they love. They will attract all the pollinators, hummingbirds, butterflies, honeybees. They're a zone 5 through 9, and they usually don't need to be pruned. They do bloom on new wood, so you can prune them in early spring if you want to keep them in size control a little bit. So they're just a very versatile, low maintenance shrub. You can find this plant at Reston Farm Garden Market.